Guess who just arrived in H-Town?
Hey, that's on.
Oh yeah, there's my bag.
Let me get you a bag.
Side to get me and help me with my bags. And this is the most wonderful time of the year. Well, in my mind at least, because I prefer Thanksgiving to anything else in my life. Thanksgiving is my absolute favorite holiday, and we have so many exciting things happening. This year we are hosting Thanksgiving at Casa de Mutyala. Even though there's a lot of us, we're hosting it specifically at my home, and everyone's coming. The coolest part about this year is this is the first year that my sister's new family is going to be joining us, and there's big news happening. Well, actually I can say it because by the time this goes live, it's already been revealed. My sister's gender reveal is happening on Friday, so there's lots going on. Tomorrow it is Thanksgiving Eve. Apparently my father says my mom is a wreck, planning for all the people coming tomorrow. We know that's gonna be a lot to deal with. And then tomorrow's Thanksgiving, and then it's the gender reveal, and then I go to Austin for some more family stuff, and then I fly to London on Monday. Is it gonna be the best few days ever?
Yes.
Yes! So this is the first year that Monica Mutyala, my sister, is basically in charge. And because of that, she's organized it as a potluck style. And because of that, half the food is Mama Pandu over here cooking Indian food. And half of that is Raj now running to the grocery store to get all the last minute goodies. Monica has us all on duties. Apparently she thinks I'm making mashed potatoes. Do you think I'm making mashed potatoes?
No.
Absolutely not. Do you want that to be edible?
No.
Then, then you don't want me to make it. In the meantime, Raj, let's watch a Telugu movie.
Okay, let's go.
You're gonna go grocery shopping or watch a Telugu movie?
Yeah, the boss says I had to go to the grocery shop.
It is a beautiful day in the neighborhood, and I woke up feeling so refreshed. It's about 8:30 in the morning. 6 p.m. is dinner. Wow, special occasion. Mama Pandu broke out the Joe Malone candles. Just to give you some context, these little tiny candles were sent for Monica's wedding.
Don't say that, Deepica.
They were sent for Monica's wedding from the beautiful Joe Malone team. And Mom, what's the special occasion? Smells amazing.
I know you will like it, that's why I thought I want to put it.
Wait, I forgot to add, the Joe Malone candles are on top of Deepums right now because Indian life. The Nesh's brothers here, that's Brajesh. They flew in from Jersey. I'm very excited, guys. It's the first time my sister's family is spending Thanksgiving with us. But more exciting than that, there's a little baby, and he's a tinty baby. What I mean by that, he's a mixed baby. I'm just gonna squeeze his little cheeks. But first, walk time. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Beautiful day in the neighborhood. I am pledging today, I, Deepica Mutyala, am not gonna be on my phone.
Good, thank God.
I need a mental detox.
What about Gundama?
Gundama, last no shot. Gundama is going to be on her phone the entire...
So that's the only habit she has.
So I'm going to Austin on...
So I had to drop you again, I guess.
Well, now that the gender reveal, don't worry, this isn't going up until... No, but this isn't going up until after everybody knows.
That's a surprise though.
Gender reveal is Friday. I'm going Saturday. I come back here Monday. Then I go to London all week. And then I go to New York. And then I go to LA. So today,
Busy girl.
I'm taking a break. Look who's awake and alive and well. Hi. Hi, cutie. Hi, cutie.
Yeah.
Don't you miss me? Oh, he's enthralled.
Yeah. Not a baba.
Look at you, cutie. I'm obsessed. Oh my God, I just want to squeeze him. He's too enthralled in his cartoons right now. That's all that really matters. Family's rolling in. Today is such a good day. Can we all just take a minute to appreciate Jessica's pajamas right now? Can we talk about this lipstick situation? Literally, I need these pajamas in my life. Lipstick head to toe. She's too busy sterilizing water, doing mom things or something. Mom and me are trying to block the cartoon so we get attention from the little Fran. But he won't give us attention, but we both need so much attention.
Bending and watching. He's got to eat his daddy's ear all the time. He's pulling and...
Mom, we're literally in his way.
Yeah, I know.
I'm dying.
What can you song?
We're ready to eat. Do your dance again. Do your dance.
Like a little chicken.
Yeah, little chicken bird.
Gobble, gobble, gobble.
Let's go, Daddy. We have important duties. So we're on a mission to go get kolaches for breakfast because tomorrow morning and every other morning it's probably going to be Indian food and dosas. But we need everyone to have a kolache, and if you haven't had a kolache, you need to. Basically, is the answer. I grew up having kolaches as my breakfast. I don't know why I'm sitting so far back. Wait, the funniest thing is I'm in what I wore to the airport plus scrubs. There's no shortage of scrubs at the Mutyala household, that's for sure. How do you describe kolaches, Dad?
Kolache is like a hot dog though.
It's like a hot dog and a warm donut without the glaze.
And the cheese in it.
There's cheese and jalapenos.
Jalapenos so good, man.
So good!
Breakfast.
Perfect breakfast.
Yeah.
More than idlis though?
I don't know.
That's a toss-up. Yay, you're open! Yay, you made our whole day. We are craving kolaches. Kolaches with jalapenos. See, we got small sausage kolaches. We got some cheese and jalapeno. We got some sausage, egg, and cheese jalapeno. Ham and cheese. Potato and cheese. We got all the options, baby. Yes! We stand kolaches. We stand kolaches. Ta-da! We come bearing kolaches. Ta-da!
But they're warm.
I've never heard
Oh my God. If you eat sausage, I think you gotta try the sausage one.
Okay, what's the sausage?
Yeah. This one right here.
Okay.
Ah!
It's my first time kolache. I grew up in Texas. I have no idea. I've never heard of kolache.
That is insane! What are they doing in McAllen, Texas?
Fun in Texas.
Does it live up to the hype?
It's awesome.
It's fine. Real beauty, natural beauty. Natural beauty. She's a natural beauty. She doesn't need anything. But Jessica was just saying how she's really good at guessing genders of babies, and that she knew Ferran was going to be a boy.
I knew deep down inside.
And so for Monica, what were you thinking?
I think it's a girl.
I'll be very honest and say, I used to say I want my sister to have boys and I want to have girls, and the older I get, the more I just cross my fingers and say, healthy baby is all that matters. Ferran's gonna walk to me. So I went to pee and there's been lots of progress that's happened since. Mama P over here with the yellow rice. Look at that ramen. All freshly cooked. It's time for a sampling. I'm really, really, really good at being the sampler.
Deepica that, but...
Oh my God, look who's home!
I want to see if you're showing. And
it's like a little bit. It's a little bit.
Your face.
It's fake. My face is gone.
Listen, my face looks like I'm pregnant too.
We're waiting for Dinesh to make a comment that the fan isn't on because he always asks when the fan isn't on. He smells that.
Dinesh, did you notice anything?
Hey, Nana, can I use your toy, please?
What?
Doesn't it smell in here?
Oh yeah, I knew that. I knew that from the beginning.
And more people have just arrived. Officially, my sister's mother and father-in-law, AKA my brother-in-law's mom and dad, just drove in from McAllen and they just got here. So there's more people here and the baby is so excited. Okay, so I am dressed. So is Monica? Just kidding. No, she's not.
Yes, I am.
She's in her nightie. Well, the thing is, it's a surprise and nobody knows she's pregnant, so she can't really wear her outfit until after we do the grace and the toast and all that stuff. But until then, I haven't done my makeup yet because Mama Punch is getting ready and all my makeup is in there. We are making stuffing, and by we, I mean she. But I'm moral support and I'll do what I can.
She tried to peel the onion.
I did try to peel the onions. I'm just so happy. Thanksgiving is seriously my most favorite holiday ever because it brings all of my family together and nothing makes me more happy than all of them. By the way, I'm wearing Origin on my lips, Rise on my cheeks, Rise on my eyes, and Perk in the corner of my eyes. Shameless plug, had to.
Everybody's here.
Everybody's here! OMG, surprises, I didn't even know you were gonna be here. Oh my gosh. Can you say hi? You look so beautiful, do you know that? Oh, we got some mashed potatoes.
Yeah, we're finishing the Monica.
Just to be clear, I started those mashed potatoes.
You did?
You're just finishing it up.
Okay.
Monica did, it wasn't me. Mom, you look beautiful. Give us a twirl. Give us a nice twirl.
What do you mean?
Spin.
Oh.
Wow. I'm a big hazard. You're gonna twirl?
You go for it.
Wow. It's my dad's brother and basically best friend. They talk to each other every day. His name is Maharaju, but he goes by Sam. It's a long story.
Shuklam Varadaram Vishnum Sesivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyaye Sarva Vignopasantaye Sarva Vignopasantaye Sarva Vignopasantaye. Please God, let all of us do Thanksgiving every year, celebrate like this with happy and healthy. Thank you. Amen.
So I want to say thank you to everybody. This was really last minute, but honestly it couldn't have happened if everyone did not participate. Padmas, everyone, all of my friends, everyone who participated, as well as Sopa who brought the turkey. The Bihara saved us. So it's awesome. This could not happen without everyone because not one person. I'm like, let me talk. Let her talk. Okay. But I just want to say I'm very, very grateful for all of you guys. Our family has been growing, and I do have an announcement. We're growing as well. Okay, enjoy. Please eat. Let's start.
Oh my God, I am so relieved. Isn't it so exciting? Oh my God. Rama, can you actually believe I kept this to myself? Like, don't you think I would have like told you and said don't tell anybody or something?
I'm a little surprised. What's up?
I feel like I'm not even hungry anymore. I just like really feel like I just don't even need to eat. I feel full and I feel complete and I feel happy and I'm just so happy. I can't stop smiling, my teeth hurt. I know you're tired, but I'm so happy. My mom put vibhuti on me and we're all we're all tired. I just had to come
Good night, guys.
and collapse.
Tomorrow morning we had to get up and go for a walk.
We all need a walk after today. I'm so tired. I know you're tired. How are you not tired, Mom? Wait, look at Daddy. He just covered his head. That was his sign in saying, it's time for you to change your clothes, Deepica, and go and get out of here. You did a great job today, Mom. Everyone had an amazing time.
No, but Monica said I talk too much.
But that's obvious. We already know. Daddy, is that brand new information? All I know is today was a success. I am happy and we did a good job. Happy Thanksgiving to all and to all a good night.
Please subscribe my daughter channel.
More
I know
pandus.
you're all very good. Thank you guys. Because of you all, my daughter is.
I feel like this has become scripted. You've said this so many times now.
Happy Thanksgiving again. Happy holidays.
Daddy, say happy Thanksgiving.
Oh, happy Thanksgiving and good night.
And to all a good night.
Good night.